Navigating isolation after spiritual awakening, strategies for coping and thriving. Introduction. Spiritual awakening, a transformative journey marked by profound shifts in consciousness, often brings about a sense of isolation. As individuals undergo a re-evaluation of their values, beliefs, and perspectives, they may find themselves distanced from old social circles or experiencing a perceived gap between their newfound awareness and the conventional reality of those around them. This essay explores the phenomenon of isolation after spiritual awakening, delving into its causes, impact, and providing practical strategies to cope with and navigate this challenging aspect of the spiritual journey. Understanding isolation in the spiritual context. Spiritual awakening is an individual and personal experience that can lead to a profound shift in one's perception of self and the world. This shift often involves a heightened awareness of interconnectedness, a deepened sense of inner peace, and a recognition of the impermanence of material concerns. However, these realizations may create a sense of alienation as individuals grapple with how to integrate their newfound insights into their daily lives. The isolation experienced after spiritual awakening is not necessarily a physical seclusion but rather a feeling of being spiritually or emotionally disconnected from others who may not share similar insights or perspectives. This disconnection can result from a perceived gap in understanding, values, and priorities. Causes of isolation after spiritual awakening. 1. Shift in values. A spiritual awakening often leads to a re-evaluation of personal values. Individuals may find that their priorities have shifted away from material pursuits and societal norms, creating a disconnect with those who remain focused on conventional goals. 2. Heightened sensitivity. Spiritual awakening may heighten emotional and empathic sensitivity. Individuals may become more attuned to the energy and intentions of others, making it challenging to engage in superficial or inauthentic interactions. 3. Loss of interest in small talk. The awakened individual may find that small talk and mundane conversations hold little appeal. This disinterest in superficial exchanges can lead to a sense of isolation in social settings where such conversations are commonplace. 4. Desire for authentic connections. There is a yearning for authentic and deep connections with others who share a similar level of spiritual awareness. The inability to find like-minded individuals can contribute to feelings of isolation. Impact of isolation on well-being. While spiritual awakening brings about positive transformations, the sense of isolation that often accompanies it can have both psychological and emotional repercussions. 1. Loneliness. The feeling of being spiritually isolated can lead to loneliness, even when surrounded by people. This loneliness arises from a lack of meaningful connections and shared understanding. Social alienation. Individuals undergoing spiritual awakening may feel alienated from mainstream society, as their values and perspectives diverge from societal norms. This alienation can create a sense of being an outsider. 3. Emotional turmoil. The inability to find resonance with others may result in emotional turmoil, as individuals navigate the tension between their inner transformations and the external world. 4. Existential crisis. The contrast between the awakened individual's expanded consciousness and the seemingly mundane concerns of everyday life can trigger an existential crisis, questioning the purpose and meaning of their existence. Coping strategies for isolation after spiritual awakening. 1. Self-compassion and acceptance. Embrace the journey with self-compassion, recognizing that feeling isolated is a common aspect of spiritual awakening. Accept that not everyone will share the same level of awareness, and it's okay to have differing perspectives. 2. Mindful presence. Practice mindfulness to stay present in the moment rather than dwelling on feelings of isolation or future uncertainties. Cultivate an appreciation for the beauty and depth in ordinary moments, finding spiritual connection in everyday experiences. 3. Seek community. Explore spiritual or mindfulness communities both online and offline to connect with like-minded individuals. Attend workshops, retreats, or gatherings where you can engage in meaningful conversations and share your journey. 4. Communication skills. Develop effective communication skills to express your thoughts and experiences without alienating others. Find a balance between sharing your insights and respecting others' perspectives, fostering understanding rather than isolation. 5. Creative expression. Channel your feelings of isolation into creative outlets such as art, writing, or music. Expressing your journey through creative means can serve as a cathartic release and connect you with others who resonate with your expression. 6. Therapeutic support. Seek the guidance of a therapist or counselor who understands the spiritual aspects of your journey. Professional support can provide a safe space to explore your emotions, navigate challenges, and receive guidance on integrating your awakening. 7. Nature connection. Spend time in nature to reconnect with the grounding energy of the earth. Nature can offer solace, perspective, and a sense of interconnectedness, helping alleviate feelings of isolation. 8. Cultivate patience. Understand that the process of finding authentic connections may take time. Cultivate patience and trust the unfolding of your journey, knowing that meaningful connections will manifest when the time is right. 9. Integration practices. Explore practices that integrate your spiritual insights into your daily life. Whether through yoga, meditation, or mindfulness, these practices can help bridge the gap between your internal transformation and external reality. Thriving beyond isolation. A holistic approach. Thriving beyond isolation involves embracing a holistic approach that addresses the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of an individual's well-being. 1. Physical well-being. Prioritize self-care activities that nurture your physical health, such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet. Engage in activities that bring joy and vitality to your body, promoting overall well-being. 2. Emotional well-being. Develop emotional intelligence to navigate and understand your feelings. Practice self-love and self-compassion, fostering a positive relationship with your emotions. 3. Mental well-being. Cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset. Engage in activities that stimulate your intellect, fostering continuous learning and personal development. 4. Spiritual well-being. Deepen your spiritual practice, incorporating rituals, meditation, or prayer into your daily routine. Seek guidance from spiritual teachers, texts, or practices that resonate with your awakened consciousness. Conclusion. The journey through isolation after spiritual awakening is a challenging yet transformative phase. By understanding its causes, acknowledging its impact, and implementing coping strategies, individuals can navigate this period with resilience and emerge stronger. Embracing a holistic approach that addresses physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being enables individuals not only to cope with isolation but to thrive on their journey towards higher consciousness. Remember that the sense of isolation is temporary, and with patience, self-compassion, and intentional connections, individuals can find a sense of belonging